Hey y'all, this is Randy, mobile traveler, and well, I'm not traveling today. Been having a little issue with the truck. Truck's been overheating going across passes, just small hills, anything, under a load. So what I'm going to attempt to do today is I'm going to take this radiator out, and I'm going to hoof it into town and get it flushed. Should be brand new when I get her done. I'll come back to you. Hey guys, this is Randy, the infamous mobile traveler. I'm sitting here at Pickard & Sons radiator shop. The radiator took a dump on me, and these fine friends that I made here are gonna fix it. Hopefully I'll be back on the road shortly. Let's see what kind of damage we got here. Well, there's the radiator, people. And I was told it was 80% plugged. That means the Randy man better start flushing his radiator a little bit more. Alright, I'm going to come back to you. Hey everybody. Okay, the radiator has been fixed, or so I think. I got it put back in the vehicle, and I want to thank somebody. A subscriber of mine goes by Buddy and Doug's Adventure. Doug, he's become a friend, fellow traveler. Anyway, he helped me put it back in. Y'all know with my MS, sometimes I'm limited. And by God, it was taking a toll on me, so he took over. And we got it in together. So thank you, Doug. I appreciate it. All that you've done. Okay. Now to the other part of this video. Well, y'all know it takes time and effort to put out videos. And I'm going to start putting in a lot more effort, a lot more time, because y'all deserve it. But in order to do that, I need a little help. I'm thinking about starting a Patreon account. But where I need your help with there is I need to know what the tiers you guys would want. Just a minute here. I got to check on Ace. Okay. Yeah, Ace just had to talk to the neighbors. Problem was he was yelling at them. Sometimes he gets a little rambunctious, and I got to kind of slow him down. I told him I was going to take away his toy duck if he wasn't good. Yeah, he quieted up, believe it or not. Anyway, let's get back to this. If I'm going to do this Patreon account, I would like to put in the tiers that Patreons want to have. I've looked at other people's accounts, and I've looked at their tiers. I've got a few ideas, but I want some ideas from you guys. And tell me, should I start a Patreon account or not? The videos I do, I try to be informative, but I would love to travel a little bit more. Show you guys a few more places. Because right now, I tend to sit for a while. Gas is spendy. Maintenance is spendy. Phone equipment. You know, I use my phone to do the videos. I'm kind of clumsy. I tend to break them a lot, especially when I'm climbing and I don't have a good handhold on my telephone. You guys remember that crack of Wet Beaver Creek? Oh yeah, that phone went 150 foot straight down. Shattered at that time. Anyway, or I do have a PayPal account. Now, some people might say this is e-begging. I'm not begging. If y'all donate, you donate. And I would thank you. If you don't, I'll still thank you for watching. Not a big deal. I just think it would make it a little easier and a little nicer on you guys. Or for you guys. Hit me up in the comments. All right. Remember, drive safe out there. Travel on, people. And love one another if you can. And if you can't, y'all know what to do. You walk away. All right. Thanks for watching.